Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into a dish that's as comforting as it is flavorful. We're talking about succulent oxtail, slow-cooked to perfection, served alongside a bed of fluffy rice and hearty beans. This dish is a celebration of rich flavors and wholesome ingredients, guaranteed to warm your soul with every bite. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our delicious recipes. Oxtail with rice and beans is a hearty and flavorful dish. Here's a recipe to guide you through making it. Ingredients. For the oxtail: 2 to 3 pounds oxtail pieces, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 carrots, diced, 2 stalks celery, diced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 2 cups beef broth, 1 cup red wine, optional, salt and pepper to taste, fresh thyme sprigs. For the rice and beans: 1 cup rice, 1 cup dried beans, such as kidney beans or black beans, soaked overnight, 3 cups water, salt to taste. Instructions. Prepare the oxtail. Season the oxtail pieces with salt and pepper. In a large Dutch oven or heavy bottom pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Brown the oxtail pieces on all sides until golden brown. Work in batches if necessary to avoid overcrowding the pot. Remove the browned oxtail pieces from the pot and set them aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Return the oxtail pieces to the pot. Add the chopped tomatoes, beef broth, red wine, if using, and fresh thyme sprigs. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 2 to 3 hours or until the oxtail is tender and falling off the bone, stirring occasionally. Add more broth or water if needed to keep the oxtail submerged. Prepare the rice and beans. In a separate pot, combine the soaked beans and water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 1 hour or until the beans are tender. Add more water if needed. Once the beans are cooked, drain any excess water and set them aside. In another pot, combine the rice, cooked beans, and 3 cups of water. Season with salt to taste. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff the rice with a fork. Serve. Serve the oxtail hot, accompanied by the rice and beans. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or thyme, if desired. Enjoy your flavorful oxtail with rice and beans.